There is a specific group of people in every organization right now who are getting promoted faster, earning more, and being trusted with bigger responsibilities. Not because they are more talented than everyone around them, but because they have figured out how to use AI to make their work more visible, more valuable, and more difficult to ignore. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they are doing differently. 4 practical, immediately actionable strategies for using AI to build the kind of professional profile that leads directly to a promotion or a pay rise, regardless of your industry, your seniority level, or your technical background. There are no shortcuts here, and I am not going to pretend otherwise. What I'm going to show you is a clear, honest framework for using the tools that are available to everyone right now to compound your professional value faster than the people around you. Quick note before we go further, I've put together a PDF guide that goes much deeper on everything we're covering today. It's called AI Proof Your Career, and the link is in the description below. Grab it now before you forget, then keep watching. Strategy 1 is making your AI-assisted work visible, and this is where most people go wrong before they even start. The single most common mistake professionals make when they begin using AI effectively is keeping it to themselves. They use Claude or ChatGPT to research faster, to draft better reports, to analyze data more thoroughly, and then they present the finished output as if they had always worked at that level. The manager sees a better output, but they do not see what changed. They do not know why it got better or whether it will stay better. And invisible productivity improvements do not get rewarded with promotions. The strategy that works is deliberate visibility. When you use AI to produce something significantly better than before, a more thorough analysis, a faster turnaround, a higher quality presentation, name it. Not in a way that sounds like you are outsourcing your thinking, but in a way that positions you as someone who is proactively improving the quality of the team's output. Something as simple as this in a team meeting. I used Claude to help me pull together the competitive analysis this week. It took half the time, and I was able to go 3 layers deeper than I normally would. Happy to show the team how I set it up, if that would be useful. That single sentence does 4 things. It signals AI competence. It demonstrates initiative. It offers to share value with the team. And it makes your improvement visible to the person who decides your next salary review. The professionals who get promoted fastest in AI, augmented workplaces, are not the ones who use AI the most. They are the ones who use it in a way their manager can see and understand. Strategy 2 is building a verifiable AI skills portfolio, and this matters more than most people realize. When a promotion decision comes down to 2 equally strong candidates, the deciding factor is almost always which person represents the more confident investment. Employers promote people they are certain will continue to grow. A portfolio of verifiable AI credentials makes that certainty tangible. The most practical way to build this portfolio starts with Coursera. Google's AI Essentials Certificate takes approximately 10 hours and is recognized by employers across every industry. IBM's AI Fundamentals program provides a credential backed by one of the most trusted technology brands in the world. Microsoft's AI Skills Initiative offers free certification pathways that are specifically designed to be relevant to non-technical professionals. None of these requires a technical background. All of them take weeks rather than months, and all of them give you something concrete to add to your LinkedIn profile, your CV, and, critically, your promotion case. The strategic move is to complete 1 relevant certificate before your next performance review and mention it explicitly in that conversation. Not as a boast, but as evidence of a pattern. You are someone who identifies the skills that matter and goes and acquires them. That is exactly the profile an employer wants to invest a higher salary in. Strategy 3 is consistently being the person in the room who uses AI to solve problems first. And this is where the compounding effect really begins. Every team has recurring problems, reports that take too long, data that is hard to interpret, meetings that produce action items nobody knows how to start, research that used to require hours of manual work. The person who starts showing up to these problems with an AI-assisted solution, not occasionally, but consistently, becomes the person the team turns to when things need solving quickly. The practical habit is simple. Before every significant meeting or project, spend 15 minutes asking Claude or ChatGPT, what are the most likely problems in this project? And what are the 3 most useful things I could prepare? The output will not always be perfect, but it will almost always give you a starting point that is better than arriving empty-handed. Over 3 to 6 months, this habit produces a cumulative effect that is very difficult to ignore. You become the person who always has a proposal ready, who already has the data summarized when the question comes up, who surfaces the issue before it becomes a crisis. This is not about doing more work. It is about doing the right work ahead of time, using AI to compress the research and preparation phase so your human judgment shows up at exactly the right moment. Strategy 4 is using AI to prepare your promotion or salary conversation. And this is the most underused strategy of all 4. Most people approach a salary negotiation or promotion conversation the way they approach a difficult email they have been putting off. They think about it vaguely, feel anxious about it, and then improvise when the moment arrives. This produces mediocre results even for strong candidates. The correct approach is to treat it as a preparation problem, and AI is exceptionally good at helping you solve preparation problems. Here is exactly what to do. Open Claude and give it this context. You are a professional in a specific role at a company of a certain size. You have been in the role for a certain number of years, and you have achieved these specific things. You want to make a case for a promotion or a salary increase at your next review. Help me build the strongest possible case. What you will get back is a structured argument that you almost certainly would not have constructed on your own. Because most people undervalue their own contributions and over-rely on tenure as a justification. AI will push you to quantify your impact, anticipate your manager's objections, and frame your ask in terms of the value you will deliver rather than the reward you deserve. Then ask Claude to help you script the actual conversation. Not word for word, but the key points, in the right order, with responses to the most likely pushbacks. Rehearse it out loud. The difference between a candidate who walks into that conversation having done this preparation and one who has not is significant, and it shows immediately. All 4 of these strategies compound over time. Making your work visible builds reputation. Building credentials builds confidence and credibility. Solving problems first builds indispensability. And preparing your case properly converts all of that accumulated value into the recognition it deserves. None of this is complicated. All of it is available to you right now with tools you either already have or can access for free. The AI Proof, your career guide, is linked in the description. It has the full 5-step framework, the prompting cheat sheet, and the 30-day action plan that ties everything in this video directly to your next steps. 14 pages and an instant download. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and drop a comment below. Which of these 4 strategies are you going to use first? I read every single one.